Egakorekyo giakoreka ritukoria rero mambia ng'achinsa ibere cha mambia niko giakoreka asensemo ya milimani aigaso muchobo songo korengana amono mu county commandant of police aigase county ya Kisii Ocpd yo nigo aiwa bobe asomo bero ya ritukoria ramisi asachiete nyagitari na koegwa obogwenia na wancherwa kogenda inka boigo akagenda ro ritukoria igoro asanyore tobogwenia na koirana inka boye.
He was treated and went home, and he continued with the treatment. Even yesterday, up to yesterday, he went back to hospital, and he was reviewed and given more medicine.
Lituko lia lero mambia nigegotebekano mu Ocpd yo mwakira amogendio ye esimi na kumugania agende ase enka yae asobwango kurinde ekero mogendio yo aika asenka yo mu Ocpd yo niganyora akwete imegari yae.
But today in the morning, his driver made a distress call. I mean, he made a distress call to his driver, telling him that he was not able to drive his car. So he called him to go and take him to hospital. According to the driver, when he went there, he found the officer at the cabin of his vehicle, at the steering, behind the steering wheel. And according to him, he was not breathing. So we called in the doctor who confirmed that the Ocpd and died.
Wekira boniga ekikeirira ugukwa ku Ocpd yo tikiramenyekana asebono obutukibwa chakiwe na kwenekia ekikeirira ugukwa kwaye. Nonyana boigo nigo chisambo cha manyinga cha rusi gwa somobere bwo Ocpd yo egarego chigotukana ko unengia ekikeirira ugukwa kwaye. Omobera ya nigo bekirwa senya gitali nene ya Kisii level 6 ekero obutuki bwa chakiwu egere kwenekia ekikeirira ugukwa kwaye. Inko reporteri igatembe television kuroiga ase enyagitari ya Kisii level 6 eliataliane aiza maube gusega konyora chinga kya endoke ewachi ya burabu.